Hey guys, it's me, Gabe. Or you can just call me Paranormal House. Today we are opening or reviewing Rockstar Freddy Funko Pop. This looks amazing, man. Let's do it in my living room. Sophie's watching, where my sister's watching Powerpuff Girls. So, let's open it. I'll see you in a little bit. And we're back, and here is Rockstar Freddy. Oh my god, he looks a little creepy. Because normally Funko Pops have their eyes like that. Not like that. But my boy Rockstar Freddy, he doesn't look like Freddy. Well, he does. Well, his face is amazing, man. Like, bruh. That looks amazing, man. In his body, even how his little tummy star in his head is okay. His head is too big from his body. We have his good old top hat. And yeah, bye guys. Please deposit 5 coins.